check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I got music playing in my ears. Got music playing right in my ears. Check this off. So I got music playing in my ears. Let me try to turn it off. Sometimes it don't work. Didn't work. Anyways, so let me show y'all something I just got recently. Oh, my shirt. Yes, yes, my shirt. Suck it in. Just inhale some of that. Now, today I want to show y'all something. So I was helping somebody the other day on the old Messenger app, and I saw something. He showed me something. I didn't know it even existed. But that's how DTF is actually coming along as we speak. They're inventing new stuff for DTF. So I went to look. I need a new DTF sheet. As I told you in the last video, I needed a new DTF sheet. My let me show it to you. So let me show you. All right. So the sheet that I'm actually using, right there. I told you I didn't like it. I don't like how it works. I don't like how it prints. I don't like anything. I don't know if I got a bad batch, but so far I really don't like it. I don't like the way the powder sticks to it. You can't get it off. Watch the video. You'll see how I don't like this sheet at all. So I got that sheet. Yes, same brand, but the difference is right there. It's ECO DTF. Never heard about it before, and the person that I was helping showed me a sheet like this. It didn't say it was ECO DTF. I didn't know it was ECO DTF. I didn't know there was such a thing. See, that's how you learn. You just try new things and keep trying new things. All right. So I bought this sheet instead. Like I told you, I needed to replace this. And the only other sheet I have is my Welser sheets, which I don't want to use right now. I just want to keep trying new sheets until I get tired of trying sheets, and I go back to my Welser for a little bit, until hopefully, I start getting more sheets again. But for right now, I'm going to try this thing out. Let me show you what it looks like, and we can go from there. Yeah, we're gonna go from there. So let me show you. So let me take it out of the package. Alright? So again, this is the one I just had. Alright? Which is this thing. Sitting over there on my roller. So I'm gonna put this back and then I'll show you this thing. So, here we go. What does it say? It's hot. Oh, it's a hot and peel cool. Hot and cold peel. Peel cool, whatever that means. So it's a hot and cold peel, and it's washable. I have no idea what all of them are washable. Strong ink absorbance. I don't know. They all do the same thing. All advertisement. All advertisement. So you can just take that stuff with a grain of salt. All right. Now let me open up this roll. Let me show it to you. So what's in the roll? This one is actually same 328 feet. So it's the same amount as the other one, and my Welser sheets that I always buy is the same size, same length, same everything. So this one is just, I want to show you why I really want to try it too. Let me show it to you. This is the good part. I gotta take it out of the plastic first. Part of the problem too is I think it's gonna create a little bit of problem, but there's no way to find out until after I start using it. But I'm hoping that problem I'm thinking is there is not there. Like I said, I hope the problem I think is there is not there at all. Hopefully. Let me get this thing off. It has a little piece of plastic tape here. They taped it up pretty good. Alright. Look. It's like it literally is paper. Yeah, it's paper. It's DTF paper. And the person I was helping, Smoother, his name is, showed me, Jay Smoother, I call him Smooth. So he was helping me, and he showed me sheets, DTF sheets, that looks like this. But I didn't know they sell a roll in it, and I actually found a roll, and it's from Yamation, that company. Okay, it's from that company. I was trying to look to see if I find a different one, but I didn't see any other one. I just saw that one. I'm gonna keep looking to see if I find anyone after this roll's finished. I'll just keep looking. Hopefully someone else will see this video and send it to me versus I have to buy it. Because, again, I ain't got money like that. So, it has lines on the back. I mean, I know you probably can't see them, but because I can't see. Again, remember, my screen's about yay big, alright? So I can barely see anything. So, it has lines on the back for alignment, I'm guessing. And it's flat on the one side. So it has a coating. And you can feel the coating on here. I mean, I guess this eliminates the fact of printing on the wrong side. So anybody go, oh, I print on the wrong side? I guess that eliminates that whole deal. Also, if you have a printer that you have to use the tape method anymore, I guess this totally wipes that out. So you won't need silly tape tricks anymore. This is totally gonna erase that. I never use tape anyways, so because I don't have to. My printer's set up so I don't never ever have to use tape. Never did. So whether it's this or regular sheets, I don't think it really matters much. But I think I can actually change the setting in my printer. Something I wanted to do for a while now and get higher quality prints out of it. Now, listen to me carefully. The higher quality prints you print on the print head, you kind of decrease the print life. Just know that, okay? It's just something you have to keep in the back of your head. Higher quality prints you print, the faster your print head's gonna die. Just remember that. Alright? But they look so much better though. It's totally worth that high quality prints. That's something you also need to keep in your head. But this will help me with that setting that I actually wanted to try for the longest. And I've been having the issue. Oh man, my neck and back hurts. I've been having the issue because of one reason. The printer, Epson changed the drivers, like I said before in one of the other videos. You can watch that if you want to. In one of the other videos, I made Epson change the print drivers. It's great for clear sheet DTF. It reads the sheet perfectly. Zero problems with that new update. Awesome, thank you Epson. If you're watching, thank you for the update. You guys are doing your thing. You still need to get your stuff together, but you're still listening. At least you're listening a little bit. Finally. Now, so this paper now will actually eliminate that need for that setting anymore. But how does it print? That's going to be the deal right there. I'm going to test it out, and I want to see exactly how it prints, and I'll keep you updated. So for now, this is all I got to say about this sheet. It's paper. Have lines on the back so you can't print on the wrong side. Your printer's gonna hopefully like it better because it's actual paper, you know. I wonder, you know what? I wonder if you can, man, that's gonna be something I'm gonna have to test. Does it leave streaks on your print anymore? Oh, I will be testing that part. I want to know because every so often I'll print something and when I print it, there's a streak in it. Now if it's paper, will that affect the streak in prints anymore? If that's not a thing, oh my goodness, they have just created a demon. No offense, but Yamation, whatever your name is. If this thing do what I think, hopefully, let's cross two fingers here. If this thing does hopefully what I think it's going to do, hopefully, I'm being very hopeful here. Okay, very hopeful I'm being right now. If it does what I think it does, and it reduced the fact that it's going to leave streaks in my prints, woohoo! I found a new number. I will, again, hopefully. Let's be hopeful. Let's be wishful. Let's pray on this one that it does that. Because if it does that, and it really do it, I think we might find a new number one. How can I say this? Well, sure, you might be dethroned as number one if this thing works like I hope and hoping it does work. Because if it does work like that, yeah, well, sure, you will be dethroned as number one. All right, but you still be number one in clear sheets. I still haven't found a replacement yet. You still number one in clear sheets. That's still a no flag zone there. You know, nobody's gonna take that throne from you, but until somebody sends me something that, you know, make yours look bad. But as far as I can tell, nah, your sheets are just top notch. But if this does what I think it does, well, sure, you'll be number one DTF sheet, but you will be number one clear sheet. Dethrone, you lose some of your prospects. And if you guys from Welsher ever make one of these, please, I'm begging you, send me a sample. Begging. Let's hope. All right. So, on that note, when I start testing this thing, oh, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss out on the tests. Peace. Man, boy, I was so excited, as you saw in the first half of the video. I was so excited. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. Let me show you. First half of the video, you saw me show you this thing, and how happy I was to get it, right? The Eco thing. Well, it wasn't good. It's a nightmare. I see, though, if you have a manufactured DTF printer, it will make sense. It will work. You shouldn't have these problems. But for us, people who have the Epson 8550 or 15,000, this is not for us. You can try it if you want to. You might have better success than I do. But the reason I think why I'm having such a problem might be I'm pulling stuff out of my bun duster here. I print with such a high resolution. My printer dumps so much ink on them that the paper does this. You see that? Let me try to show it to you at an angle so you can see it. See that? Look at that. Yeah, that's a big old bubble right there. Let me see if I can get a good angle of it for you. See it? See how bubble it is? Look at that. Yeah, the paper does that. See that? So, anyone who knows anything about 8550 and printing, your sheet can be warping. Okay, and that's what it did. It did it so bad. Look at this. Head strike. Sorry, these are head strikes. And those who keep asking about a head strike, that's a head strike. That's the print head literally hitting your DTF sheet. All right, that's a head strike. That's a head strike. This is a scrape from the paper running across my rollers. This is a strike for the paper touching the top of the printer as it was exiting. Over here, same thing, same problem. All right, I literally had to stop using this. And it literally had to do with the fact that I print at such a high resolution. If you print at 740, you might have a better experience. I doubt it, because it's just paper. Okay, it's literally just paper. It's regular paper that they put the DTF coating on top of it. That's all this is. Yeah, see, it's just regular paper. It just has a DTF coating on it. All right, that's the only difference between this and regular paper. So, yeah, it's not going to work. It's not going to work for the Epson 8550. It's not going to work for the Epson 15,000. For a regular DTF printer manufacturer, I think it will work. And it has to do with the fact that there's a heating plate right underneath the print head. So as soon as it prints, it dries. All right, and that will hopefully, that's what I'm thinking, will prevent the sheet from warping. The paper, because I'm not sheet, it's a piece of paper. It will prevent the paper from literally doing all that bubbly stuff it's doing and hitting on the print head. So I don't have one. I can't test one because I don't have one. I'm not going to go out and buy one because I ain't got the money for it. Somebody wants to buy this sheet and test it on their printer, go for it. But for right now, I can't test it because I do not have a manufacturer DTF printer. That's why I can't use it. And I can't tell you if it's good or not because the Epson 8550 don't like it. So which means, for us, we can't use this. It's not good paper for us. It might work for everybody else who have a DTF printer. Alright, that's my information on that sheet. I hope you like it. If you don't, and I know I repeated myself like 100 times because that's how important it is. Alright, so till next time, peace.